Another big one is proofread your CV. You'd be surprised how many just, it's like I'm reading 300 CVs and opening line, spelling and grammatical mistake. I'm like, you know what, I'm looking for a reason to say no. I've got 450 people to go through right now. I am looking for any reason to say no. So it can be that, picked up the phone and you were rude. It could be that you had a grammatical mistake on your CV. Could be that, you're difficult to deal with when I'm messaging back and forth on LinkedIn. There's so many little things there where it's like, you know what, don't have time for this. There's 450 people up there right now. If you were to look at I have a dashboard of all my roles that I have going on right now. I've got 47 roles going across my team at the moment. I've got 17 of them on myself, and I have on average between 50 and 250 to 350 people applying for each one of those roles. So literally every morning I come in and I look. The other day I was like, there was 1,000 emails in my inbox, and I was like, I'm never going to get to all of them. I have to prioritize them, and some of them are easy to deal with, and some of them take forever to respond to me and stuff. So you don't even realize sometimes how you're hurting your chances in the recruitment process.